they gather buy, and then the woman say, okay, no problem. If you don't they work, you don't gather money. You go come back later. They go come add your name, join a bet. For this a start. Now the woman they purchase her. Now in the buy and your name cannot enter here. Now so it starts. Now so it start beneath for the office. Then they even tell her, say, expect her, stay calm, make person they hear, waiting, then they talk. Now like you, it don't they argue. It don't they verse. It don't they para. All my 9 years plus with you. It reach for you to buy something now. You don't want put my name. You want push me aside. I be use and dump. You want dump me. You want push me aside. But you forget, say me and you not there for a year plus now. Almost 2 years. We live together. We are not together. We don't fuck. We don't kiss. We don't hug. In the same roof. Toto they shop another food. You they go. You not green go. Now they tell and say, okay, if you not figure patient, make it stay for outside, because beneath when they speak, the noise they distract, waiting that they do for the office. Time to ask, waiting they want to do for inside my bank. Make the call opener, password there with them. I say, release the password of the account, because I not go school. Everything concern my life, I carry and give, put for your hand before. You operate everything. He does everything. I've never been to supermarket before. I never do Spencer before. He does everything with my goddamn money. I trade with 3 cards. I get business for Nigeria. Who I earn from, not the only backyard one when I say here. I say I get shop for New Benin Market. I make money from there. Supermarket, now my cards. I say they do Spencer. That's why they receive the alert for my phone. I know they care, because I believe say now for my children, how many in they eat. I know the 2 reasons that one say because we know they. If you want buy anything, buy. I've never been to supermarket for almost 10 years. I never do Spencer. He does Spencer. He does everything with my goddamn money. I never been to club, never party, never do anything, never go visit person. People around there can testify. When our children they do birthday every year. Have you ever seen me in your house? Have you ever seen me bring my kids to your house? Have you ever seen me in any social garden? How woman they tell you are rich? And they make up before they do my live video. They send this innocentical sister their family. So now they tell and say the way your woman they tell make up come package breast. If they dress like person where not the my house, that one they bring quarrel. Anything where go bring priest. I embrace them. I start to the dress like mumu. I go dress like village woman. I go make up. I go be. I go put white pencil. If I dance, now nyash your woman come they shake for social media. It no be market it go say. If you waro, emaya ware kebi. They you they look in nyash. Now nyash they call the look. You stop dancing. If not dancing be the problem, I stop to dance. How woman they tell lawyer, come tell me, come. House where you carry your hard money rent. You and baby papa not there for 1 year plus. Now 2 years they go. So if not be you, you never throw away. You never kick her outside. Told the truth, made devil shame. I leave him here. I still fed him. I still pay bill. Being automatic to my account. As month end so, then they move them. Then they remove them. Nigeria account where customer they pay to know your account. If they pay 3 million, go send a 1.5. If you see and say you cash out for thief, a service problem. Imagine Nigeria rectify. Customer come out. How many times me I don't get issue? When you go say no see, you go see the money, go say no see. Nigeria alert one and they pay. And they give una market, I go see rest. He do, as he do rich, he start to they call my customer. He go call them, go to say na man. You say you know they do again, you go, no go. He go carry my phone, if I don't they sleep, this business line, he go they call each number, if you call, you know they talk, if you call, you know they talk. One day, one customer come call, say, your husband, they carry your number, they take call her. I come tell her, say, the woman say, your husband just call her finish, so he not talk 13 years he sign, he voice. He say lie no be him o. He start to dey swear. He saw the customer. Now I call him mother, say call your pikin to order. Is a threat to my business. Now him mama come call the customer. They come conference and join her. Him mama come tell the customer say, if not be true, say my pikin, not true call you want go swallow lala before this he bastard. Agree to him mother. So that time you don't already saw the customer, he saw the husband, call the customer. You just say be your husband where be goat where you dey control. You don't he saw the woman. He intentionally call people. He go call, he not go talk. He go call, no everybody go. So Toto, you they call me yesterday, now I go say me. Oh Toto, you call me this early morning around 5. You not talk, I'll say me. Oh Toto, you call me so I go say me. As they put her for outside, when they draft everything finished, now they carry and give me. As I come outside, you owe my pikin because that one day holiday, don't they para, don't they vex. If they shout for my head for femata like this, you are ungrateful bastard. You will not go school. You will not do this one. You are ungrateful. You are this one. And so it cost me to the extent, or you both on the gather for my head. I carry shame. Enter put my way, no they go any direction. I leave here and my son for femata. I go come down for anywhere, just they find my way, they come house. I reach as customer where want do dread, don't they wait for me. I reach here. Now I start to they do the customer hair. He said the customer, the sumo Senegal boy, say he bring audio come my business WhatsApp when he want come say ciao amore. Say he go still come again, come do the dread or per favore. He said the Senegal put amore, which business he's talking about underage boy. Oh, watch that afternoon video when I they make that boy hair. That is underage Senegal boy. When they just come, they just new come, the camp there for quarter November year. If that boy don't too much for Italy, go there around that kind, a year plus or 2 years now, wait, take coin, they Italy. When the boy come, he don't they quarrel me. If now that boy will call you amore, now you want do your hair, you not go do it for this house. When the boy come, I can't tell the boy say, wait till you write for me for WhatsApp, where my guy see, it a verse spoon. Now the small boy come, they beg and say, make it no verse, so say, he never sabi Italy like that. Say, if he talk out for go, he go send that. Say, never capish where say, osbaliat, even the osbaliat, he not fit pronounce sound well. Say, make it no verse. Even that no verse, he not see the shibele. As I they do the boy hair, if they do and make it don't move the boy, make go through where. Only someone bury the dread, 150 euros. See the money. As I made the hair finish, now I can't enter live video. You want to do Nigerian person dread, make it pay you 150. See, you want to do Senegal person here, if na full dread, 300, 30 something. Once you tell them price, then go just price more, then go do. If you want to do Nigerian person dread, even though the hair full, they can never pay you 50 euro. Now 30, 40, they go pay rich. If you see all this Gambia, Senegal, if you just tell them, this Ocapella go do and well, now 300, go say, okay, do a shanto chikwanta. Far. You go just collect a nana 1 hour, 2 hours. You not go even read 2 hours. You don't run and finish. You don't collect the money. As the boy come out, the boy even tell her, say, make it no verse. Say, na osbaliato. Say, if you talk for go, he go send because he never sabi Italy like that. Say, na they go school. Me, I can't put Indomie for fire. I can't they cook for the children. No, as the boy come, in theirs. You know what help me go carry the small one come back for school. I leave the small boy with time for house. Me and Izode go carry who will come for school, come continue the boy hair. It was at home. So then I off day. He not do anything. I leave the boy where come make her. I leave her for year with him for parlor year. I go carry the small one who was for school. I bring her come house, come continue my work. As I finish the boy hair, where the boy pay, I off live video. I don't go kitchen. I say and say, oh, why don't they cry? He not give the small boy food. I just a cook Indomie. Indomie ready, is all there. Oh, why they cry follow and I tell her, you say you want carry them go Piazza or anything today. Carry the small one, make that one still go follow them play. he won't carry that one take do problem. You dey forbid, not be your mate. As it be, so he's supposed to give me 3,000 euro. Make I take carry the children, go vacancy, go holiday. Tell me I'm supposed to give her 3,000 euro. Make it take carry the children, go holiday. Both ticket flowing and coming. He won't carry that quarter come. You are greedy to yourself. You are local to yourself. You cannot take care of yourself. You have never traveled before. You are home. You are greedy. You want carry money, go heaven. You want perish with the money. Not the way you not talk. He carry over then go. I cook the indomie finish because me already know say I want enter live video. If I want enter live video, anything will go provoke me. I know the lie want do am so that I go feel address my customer well. I do like say I not sit down one, I waka pass am. Not because I make good pass, it's because I know say I go do video, sell markets. Make it not be say I use quarter start my business. Now I rest. Now I carry I start to dey cook. As I cook indomie finish, me already where me I come down for Puma, I enter another Puma. I enter restaurants, I buy food, which this their patata everything. I just warm down and pa. I eat them. I sit down for chair, I rest some more. It's okay. Time still they ate something, make I join enter live video. The moment I enter live video, now if I enter the live video, my mind already tell me say you no go take where you go run come as true. Now so it just come as. Not being the children start to dey cry. I come so okay, I beg. I don't dey live video. Make I say I just dey enter. Help me do just give them the indomie. I don't already cook am. Now it's pack oh. You no fit live live video. He be my slave. Why you go give the children food? Why you go do this one? Now it taste nice. You no fit give pikin where you born food. I don't cook. I don't arrange am for kitchen. Know that they cannot eat by themselves, but they not go feed and make their belly full because they go scatter and food everywhere. Now me when the thing don't they cost quarter for year, I not even off live video. Now I just leave my live video. I go kitchen, go carry the food. In say I don't off live video. No being taste start for background. Now it taste start. The time when my wife can't talk, so total off the live video, he voice. Everybody they hear and they comment put. Now that time content no say I know off live video. Now you content run come unplug my 2 rim lights. Now it take go. Me I even to say now only that one I tell her no do I again. Nobody attack my finance. I don't take that. Attack me in person. You see my business. Anything that put food on my table, I will never allow you to attack it. Now you just come out, you just go off the switch. Because as you off the switch, automatic the Wi-Fi go off and it go start to the load again. Now Facebook and Instagram, every other channel, now they take off. Because this one a phone when I take come off for us, it get pocket subscription. Now make us still they say the live video not fee off. Because as the Wi-Fi off, the normal internet pick again by itself. Now we take the where we did today so. Now everything provoke me say go and off the light 1 more time. Make you see what thing go happen. Because if we don't get some more quarrel or he ask you money you not give him, he go sign me up for Facebook. He go lock the password. He go all my social media and they go lock him. I not go feel live stream. I not go feel sell market. Because I not go school and ain't get the password. Password they with I not be open this page for me. Vivian Arrow where it come that time. Now you open this TikTok where they take watch me. Now you open up for me that time. The one when you open for me, you don't even lose the password. Because Vivian Arrow open this one for me. Vivian Arrow have the password to this one where you they watch me. So who open and get the password? Now who open and give her the password they gave before you come fit change them. Now only you want the fee enter. As I did live video now, if you go free open because me I see Vivian Arrow since I don't tell her say help me change the password if you can still log in. If I don't log me out since the live video go off automatically. If they do me before, we go get some more argument. I go just the live video. They say my market go lock everything, go off, everything go off. I go rest, I go dey beg, I go beg, I go call him mama, I go call him brother, I go dey beg. He go use these things that he knew that I cannot do for myself to seduce me, to always go on my knee to beg him in every little thing, even when it's wrong. I want to have my social media back, I will beg. Give me money and not give him. He go lock everything. I will be forced to give him that thing. My brother, you shall pay. You see that your blood where full that room. Now someone will be that one. Every pain you have cost me, you will pay. That blood na sumo, ocean go flow for your life. You shall pay in this night year the pain you have cost me. Oh, when one like we bona, when no man lo doni pa when work na, you will pay dearly for everything. I pick you from the gutter. You don't pick me from gutter. I pick you. I day my house. Now you day camp. Now you beg to stay with me. I did beg to stay with you. I pick you. You don't pick me. I fight for document for you. You don't fight for me. I have it all before you met me. Things you met me with is what I still do today. You met me doing hair for people, going house to go make hair for people. I still they do it, but you stop me not to go to people's house again. I respect that. The pain you have cost me, one by one, oh belez, no kodu ya dawe sagi lele ya. Okpa me take it na, ya take revenge, ya revenge ye ya. Akpiku women we mo ye plus na ne kamala na, ya ve revenge ne. Uma gen o pa na kyo panu senu ya revenge ne ya. Ya revenge one by one. If you cannot eat, you let we eat it. You get a fuck. You dare they suppress me with everything. I don't greet people don't greet me. I've never been to club, never been because of you. I don't have an ex-boyfriend in this abroad. I arrived 2016. I met you 2017. I was barely 1 year in Europe. Ever since now, I know you, just you. I've never partied, I've never clubbed, I've never visited anybody, I've never gone to people's house. Even children garden, make other black Nigeria people come gather. I've never been there. Be careful. You will pay. Time have come for you to pay me one by one, whether you like it or not. You cannot run away from the trouble you caused by yourself. One pay me. We make come where and then no set it would me sagging where or when no view sa a sag yasa a sagging wire pay me one by one. You shall pay me one letter like one pay me. It no usi ahon me go ego ahon ham selu what do you want? I have told your mother countless times. Your mother open and tell me and said umego mebe ebo mi eda expire na ni me pa no vinye wo wa. Your mother have told me to leave the house that I rent with my own money. He said, make I leave us, make I carry my children, leave us for you, that you cannot afford to go and rent us for outside now. You don't have the money. But today, you can't 10,000 euro come up for the same house. You can't it in my very eye. And told me that not be let me want to get money now. So just that I get and pass you. You carry 10,000 euro. Come out for this house and you can't it in my present today. And you never ever agree that you have died in this house. If I cannot fix the biz here, I control money from my shop in New Benin. I use it to pay. I use it to fix your bill. One lehia, one lawana, one lehia. If you enter here, one enter one. A sagu when you make anything. If you enter here, one lehia because one mudaye faromet ni mudaji. One mini mehia uwe. The day I start to stand up and start to realize my front, my back, banco, everything, transaction, now they do transact money. If he asks you anything, you not give on when you my YouTube channel have been almost 2 years now. They know they upload anything there. He not do YouTube when I buy laptop for see. I buy brand new laptop. My laptop they sleep there for YouTube. He never do. before he does anything for you. He condition you because he know I cannot do it for myself. I didn't go to school. You condition me in every goddamn fucking thing. My brother, you will pay. I told you, you will pay. You will pay. Sagin. It can't come anywhere. Everything you have taken from me is sagin wayame. I want to pay me by blood. A sagin wayame. It make you to beg even when it's wrong. It take advantage of the weakling. The name of you don't go school. At times, this motherfucker will hack my account. My bank account in my phone. I cannot access it except I go bank. Then we tell me I change password. He will change my password. If you not say they will do, you can't tell me. That's my finance. That's where my money is. That's where my business money is. Home and abroad. Your son have constantly pour pain in my face. Look me in the eye and pour me 9 months pregnancy speed because I didn't go to school. I'm taking advantage. Your son bully me that I am fat, I am illiterate on daily basis. He will pay. Time have come. Let him go and get that police come and move me. And now I have all my proof. Every goddamn pin you have transferred to your account, then we start the traces from there. Let them start the traces from there. Waiting I carry all that money, they follow you back. You, if come be letter to go and work, he will buy it with my money. Because my card is with him. I have 3 transaction bank cards. I have credit cards. I built my reputation here in Italy. I built my credit. If it's easy, why won't you build your own credit? Did you amount to nothing in bank? Did you amount to anything? Can you take loan? I build everything. I never borrow. I never steal. I pay tax to government. I struggle to pay. I make her to pay at times. I work out to fix everything myself. Because I didn't go school, I hand over everything for you. Every little misunderstanding, you want to crumble there before my eye. Yesterday, you threatened to break my permissive sojourner. You owe everything in your custody. Before some argument, you not go know where you go my bag, you go carry everything, go home and go say, one more pain, go break everything. You want to destroy them. What you did not give to me, you want to destroy it. I will destroy you before you destroy me. Your sister come here to come and tell me, yeah, now my brother blood they flow. Your brother blood shall flow like a river. All the tears that have flowed in my eye for 9 good years, your brother blood will flow. It will flow for it. Oh, flow, man, flow. Why way me? Ungrateful bastard. Since last week, you have been dragging me. Give me and the 3, if not because you are greedy, give me and the 3 the children 3,000 euros to go for vacation. Am I the one that's supposed to have responsibility of vacation for you as a man? You're supposed to do that for me and the kids, not the other way around. You use me to gather up. You are preparing. You don't fair go Nigeria. You see they prepare now to go to Nigeria. The roof under your head is checking. Landlord have sold this place. You are not concerned. You so much concerned to go Nigeria again. But before I cough today, you carry 10,000 euro come out today. You splash it on my face and tell me that fuck off. Money is not your problem. So they use me, they build, they use me, they gather your own inside. You use me to fix the bill and the responsibility and gather your own. So that the Nigeria where you want to go, so you go fit carry your own. Go na me be mumu. Na me no dey fit go Nigeria. Na me no go fit go. You have 10,000 euro. Now they ask you today, say, how much are you contributing to the property? You say a dime. The woman say, you have Bosta Paga, you are working. That woman challenge you with authority today. The woman challenge, the woman ask you there, who pay bill? I say, I did. I face bill. If you collect salary, go draw normal supermarket nylon bag once or 2 times. Finish for the full month. Oh, I wear pampers, school and home. You buy pampers for school, you buy for us. Now where children know they go school, you fill inside cupboard, you fill them with everything. They eat biscuit, juice, chips, everything. Not be here they put on one, gonna give them one by one. Ask this motherfucker if you know how I they take buy am. You want to go restock and come. You want to just hold that can or sile madogwa kenae or what ye or slide the card in your pon ikon. O my ni go ya la pon. But when I talk, you call me a ugly woman, a haggard woman. You call me dirty. You call me sticky. You call me fat fool, illiterate. You call me bon fool. When you back can wear school majo, but why ya me ya gig, but why ya me cookie go, why ya me ya me top? Move, why ya me top? Uwe my hair, umage no where you way. Why ya me top? Urewa na, umuwe suspension. You suspend them ya fefefe. You suspend my life. Suspend that because by you suspend them ya fefefe. O kone dia make big boy can how dare you? You suspend them ya fefefe. Your sister go on another platform say me I come up for 5 days. Go meet man. Me blessing. I'm not a. I don't see 9900 not they flink me. Now you be toy. You are a toy. I don't see prick. Not they flink me. You are the lowest of them all. You know my I no get for abroad. You know they see them big person, my shop person. Ototo where not go abroad. Ototo they do things. Ototo get shop. Ototo they build house. Now me now, you know you are the lowest of them all. You be toy. Now you make us you say suspense. I feel the gala. I know they move. I know they go anywhere. You they go where they come back. They meet me for us. Since why we quarrel that time now, if not some people, they go don't get boyfriend, they go don't fuck, they go don't shoot for match, shoot for a year. Now me, I pick my gbim. I came where I came of your dog bay, self when I don't want egg bammy, quite me, or whatever. Lo. Better than may I connect to work because you need to work. Somebody needs you. Okay, winner. It may work with yet father notice to a responsible person to come and open it. Nonsense. If you say you just say you get some more money, it go just start. You know they respect me. Go ask and say waiting I don't do it. You know they respect me. You know they respect me. How I go to respect you? You don't deserve respect. You earn it. You lead others follow. You control the home, woman obey. You when one control home, they do every time. You they create problem where problem not there. How you can say the woman where they obey you? How will the woman follow you? How the woman go take submissive? When quarrel not there, sorry. When quarrel not there, sorry. One day I did live video, I said my car, I saw almost 6,000 euro. That day, this man not see sleep. He calculate at the daybreak. He go press calculator. That one na 3 months salary. Now one person see. No one they know they respect me. No one they know they do this one. No one they know they. He not sleep till daybreak. He first me wake up that day. They wait whether I go late greet and good morning. So that me for say I am gonna get ya to he we waiting. He better my day yo. I want to be on muko no yamu We have quarrel. Now 2 years one is so. We not they fuck. We not they kiss. We not they hug each other. We not they do anything. We dead the ass. You know they. I go their live video. You go they follow woman. They do camera down. Children go they disturb me here. They go they cry. You go they follow the women when you keep for Nigeria. They do camera down inside. The children go they disturb me for live video here. But you not go green. Maybe I even get who me and they say, baby you don't sleep. You never sleep. One more thing can make a con they post you and the gay. Oh man, abroad make a con they put their camera. That shark belay on social media. Not them in a maybe blessing. You just saw the video not there for my phone. It was transfer, my guy. It was I phone, my guy. What delete one on already the other one, my guy. I go there, I go the call help me up picking. Help me, I go the struggle with customer to attend to customer to put my live video in check. The children go they distract me. You go they do camera down with two my inside. Okwa wanyu ene, okwa kule, erami rinya wa view you what me kone. Ya wa view ene steady. Oh ya baby pioge. when I no swear no my sune mo sinohi umiebo ne baba na no kiss we no drop we here come down no ne boy motore yaga oh la one we yaga we are oh ye na go no one me cemetery ige kwa. I never ask you. We are not together, so I cannot monitor your personal life. Your personal life doesn't affect me. As long as you assist me, I assist you in terms of home, choice, the children. We won't have problem. We could have lived in peace before I move. My success pain you. It pain you. You think say you go fit put us that way. It pain you reach belle. They ask you bring your contribution to the property for them to put your name. You say you not get bed this evening. You enter. Una amwe suit well. I don't know 10,000 euro. Una aka. When you get away, you go problem where uma wa poor when you age. So where you may gather, where you receive, you keep your own. We use my own. When you receive, you keep your own. We use my own. Ademumu. Hello. May police come. May police come. May police come. Are they here? May police come. Are they here? I want. Are they here? May police come. Yeah, if they want it aside. Are they here? I not go off my live video. Police go meet me here. I not go off my live video. Make the police meet me here. Hello? May call police. Now if people say may call police, may call police. May call police. Leave her, may call police. May call my sister. May call police. May police come. Leave her, may police call my sister. May they come carry me. Make they carry, make them come. I don't come out time. I don't come out time. I don't come out time. Make call police. I dey fear. I dey here they wait for him and police. Mona no worry, make police come inside. I dey inside, make them come. Come carry me. Hello? Hello, good evening. Ma? All right, thank you so much, my love. Yes. Yes, okay. Thank you so much. All right, thank you. Mona, no, they call. I not go off my live video. I dey here. Make the police enter. Police dey outside. Make they enter. Hello, ma. Make police come. Dey here. Knife not there here again. Knife not there, mama, no fear. Knife not there, no fear. No fear, make police come, make they call carry me. Baby papa, where you are now? Baby papa, where you are now? They for house, go they tell you, say, if you buy, your money go be you. You go say police arrest you before you blink your eye, open now. Everything you have worked hard for, say go be you. When I see they alive. Now I tell her yesterday, say I go will the thing to organization, yeah. I go will her to church. I go will her to organization. He go tell me, say, before I even come back, now for bank, he go say, na my ATM, he go take they move the money. Every day, when ya will let you waiting, ya home, ya for kela jarega. No makwa. Hello? The blood, not be me get the blood. Now, if you come na self-defense now, na something would na bottle now. If you come na something shuka, okay, where be the evidence say something shuka na here now? Now the evidence be this one. Make them come. Now the evidence be this one. Never worry. Never worry, man. No, he not green go. He not green go. Avisha we nekpa. Iya we no mudia. O make na mumeyene. Relationship don't finish. Now 2 years one reach, so you not green go. You not move on. You not come out. You not come out. You not come out. You not come out. Make call police for me. That one is something. Make call police for me. They no advise and say go rent us. They not tell us say the again never one move come up for us. But they tell us make you go call police. Come make call the police come. Yeah, ma we no mo wa no the again me o. Abagbo ma ba me o me nu wa makwa wa do vio. Hello ma. Hello?
Buongiorno signora.
Sì, ciao, buongiorno.
Posso chiedere di chiudere il telefono per favore?
Ok. No, se online, sì, in protection, is my protection.
Sì, puoi spegnere tutto per favore?
Però, na you want with me, na protection, Facebook de tutta persone guardare io.
Te lo sto chiedendo per favore, puoi spegnere
non
tutto?
Posso spegnere, però quando
no,
spegnere...
perché c'è un caldo infernale.
Come?
C'è caldo, c'è tanto caldo.
Ok, spegnere di luce?
Sì, spegnere tutto,
ok,
grazie.
Luce. Niente.
Dove?
Sì. Devi staccare anche i telefoni qua dentro.
Non chiudere il mio cellulare.
Devi chiudere.
No, non chiudere il mio cellulare.
Sì, perché noi non andiamo in
no, non
se no ti devo portare fuori.
No, anche voglio portare io fuori, io prendo il mio cellulare.
Ascolta.
Il mio cellulare venire come?
Qua non dobbiamo fare nessuna sceneggiata, siamo qui per parlare.
Va
Intanto
bene.
voglio sapere dov'è questo coltello. Dov'è il coltello?
Coltello?
Sì.
Chiedere a lui e prendere il coltello. Io sono qua, io a lavorare. Guarda Bottolino.
C'è il coltello.
Io lavoro qua, vendere capelli online. Lui prendere Bottolino, tutto venire qua. Io rimani qua.
Dov'è questo coltello?
Chiedere loro dove lasciamo. Io vendere capelli online. Qua.
No, sposta.
Ok, scusi.
Io. Signora, scavalca questo filo un attimo.
Sì, sì.
Attenta?
Sì.
Ok. Vai vicino al mio collega, per favore.
Sì. Va bene. Lascia il coltellino, solo il bottolino. Lui prende il bottolino. Come? Ah, grazie. Ok.
Quella c'è. Per questo. Io a 2000 qua. Che è successo?
Io vendere capelli online. Qua io lavori. Padrone ce l'ha quella alla casa. Devi vendere. È tutto partire, vai a cercare a casa. Adesso passiamo 2 anni, non ho visto a casa. Io vado al banco per chiedere il mutuo, guardare il mio accanto, c'è il soldi. Io ho detto che va bene, vanno agenzia a passare a casa piccoli, va bene. Vado in agenzia, prendere l'appuntamento oggi, andare lì, preparo tutto il documento anche andare in banco per chiedere il mutuo. Loro vogliono io mettere il nome di lui dentro a casa, io devo comprare. Io dire non fa, però io devo comprare a casa, tu non devi aggiungere soldi. Tu hai detto 2 anni o 3 anni, tu devi partire,
questa è plastica.
vai, tu devi,
hai visto? Sono
tu devi andare in Nigeria, non cambiamo più. Tu non devi parlare più, non posso giungere il tuo nome dentro a casa, io devi comprare. Loro arrabbiato, dove siamo arrabbiati, parleremo un po'. A arrivare fermata, io devo prendere il pullman, parliamo.